And me and Leo here, Daily Christian thinks that we quit, and he quit the friends. Because, hey Leo, say something. Speak louder.
Because I know.
He said he doesn't know.
Hey, what? Where were you making me stop?
Yes, we were recording. So, alright, we're gonna play Cloudy in the Chance of Meatballs.
Hey, that was...
Alright, Leo's gonna join. We just need to find a house.
Hey, it's not that. That's why I found that game.
He found the game. Daily Christian quit the friends and now he's making his own channel called The Dailies.
Dailies?
Yeah, The Dailies.
Never heard of it.
Oh, yeah, The Dailies. I don't know what type of name.
Maybe no one's gonna join him.
Ow, my ear.
Turn on.
No, there was here. Oh, look. It's gonna be Cloudy. I don't know. Chance of Meatballs. I don't know. Falling Meatballs.
Yeah, falling meatball.
It's so loud.
No, falling sharks.
Huh?
What's it?
Where does it say falling sharks?
I don't know. I know nothing. I know everything.
Yeah, wow.
Come on, chicken.
Guys, I'm still gonna make videos. Daily Christian thinks I'm not.
Alright, I'm joining, guys. Oh, it's so loud. Oh, it's so loud.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
I hope so. Whoa, so many people are saying a lot.
I don't know, they're like, I'm gonna survive. I don't know.
Finally.
I'm walking to the tornado.
I'm wanting to join the gang. I know what I'm saying.
I changed my mind. Run! No!
What happened?
Oh, oof, oof, oof,
I'm quiet.
oof, 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 oof.
I don't even sound like that.
Oh, there you are, Leo.
It's loading.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I look handsome. Yeah.
you do not look him. Oh, look at that beautiful picture.
Finally.
I'm fine. Look at that beautiful picture. Click to enter map.
Really? Again? Fine.
Anyway. Oh, wait, you can run? Oh my goodness, seriously?
Wait, what?
You can run at this game. It's in I could have survived. Oh wow, I'm back. Anyway.
Hey dudes! Hey Kirby, I'm right behind you.
Whoa, fire tornado.
There's also a sharknado.
That's regular tornadoes. I know, some of these could be hurricanes. That's a tornado. Oh my goodness! Welcome to Tornado Alley.
I found the game.
Because choosing...
Oh, come on! This is boring!
Hey look, it's the Smash Bros. Theme song.
With the neighborhood.
Oh, fine. Anyway, guys, me and Leo played Smash Bros. Before. And we know this song.
What the chance? 4 seconds.
I don't know.
I thought I won. Woo! Oh, that was so amazing.
today weather is sunny. Hey, where's your house? Oh, this is your house.
Yeah, hey guys, this part 2. Remember when my house got broken?
You have to talk in the mic.
Remember when this part 2. Remember when my house got broken from the tornado?
However, alright, this is his house. He made a video. Yeah, he made a video about it.
Yeah, it was so funny.
And then he blew up, and I saw it. It was funny for me. Alright.
Don't be scared of what? Don't be scared of you! Yeah!
Alright. Breaking news. There's
You're
some.
fat and ugly.
No. That's not the news. Just listen to it.
Alright.
Breaking news. Today there was 2 noobs walking.
No,
Sing
it
a
says
bandana.
right here. Please
Oh.
be advised, the storm is heading away.
Please.
Storm clouds are beginning to come in.
Oh, the storm is coming. Where should we hide? Follow me.
I know, in your face.
No, I don't think that's a good hiding spot. No, it's not.
How do I run? I don't know how to run.
Come upstairs.
Come on.
We're just gonna watch the TV here. The power went off. Did you pay the bills?
Yeah. I paid my bills, but I don't know why the power got off.
Speak louder.
Maybe electricity went to the. I don't know.
The electricity or whatever. Maybe it got off. It turned off.
Hey, be quiet! Oh!
Wow. The alert is shushing you.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's making you be quiet.
It's making
Where's
you...
the tornado?
It hasn't even come. It's coming up there, bye!
No, do not leave. Do not leave.
What?
There's no tornado. Oh my goodness! Leo, help me!
Yeah. Look up, Lily.
Leo! Oh.
Man, that tower is destroyed.
Oh my goodness! You're seriously
Run!
You abandoned me.
You could go in the map again.
Okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Again, you're back.
I abandoned you. I don't know why.
Wow.
Where is the tornado? I don't know where's the tornado. I don't know where is it. Yeah,
Oh, it's off.
I'm still watching the news. Relaxing news. Oh, there's some dead people. Hey, I found you.
Wow, the house is ruined.
Yeah, because all your fun. Can we watch some TV? I don't think so.
Yeah, let's watch some TV. So it's, hey, look.
Yep.
Hold on. Wait, what just happened?
I think we just got exploded.
How did we blow up?
We exploded.
Alright, that's not normal.
Bye.
We're leaving. Oh, seriously?
How do we run the computer?
Maybe try E.
E?
Yeah.
D? Yeah, I think D.
It's so unfair. You get to use the computer and it's just like you.
You picked the tablet. So it's not my fault. No trade back.
No trade backs, no take backs.
Yeah, okay.
No fun. Pause. We're in the second map.
Woo! Let's go around.
Hello. Let's go, Leo.
Man. How do we run?
Oh, let's go one of those big houses.
Yeah, sure. I don't think they have TV.
I'm not sure they have TV.
That looks empty.
It is empty.
Oh, kiss me. I'm just kidding you. Where should we go, Al? Where should we go?
I don't know.
I think I know.
Where?
In your face. Wait, I think I know.
Where?
Come.
I
I'm
don't know.
behind you. Are you blind?
No. But it's moving by itself.
Stop it. Get some of my head!
It's moving by itself. I think the tablet's broken up. Okay, that doesn't
Why'd you have that?
That didn't work.
Well, you did.
Okay, guys, I can't make him stop, so.
Me?
I cannot stop running.
Well, I don't know. I think, the what's this called?
Snoopy.
No, the
What ball?
no!
Oh. That bell.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh no.
I'm just kidding. What's going on? Is this war?
Yeah,
World War 3. A brand new coming out. Leo and kirbybro is gonna survive the huge tornado of World War 3. Hold on, let me make the music cooler. Is Leo and kirbybro gonna survive? I don't think so. I don't think so.
Because I already died. I don't know what happened.
I can't stop running.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna crash.
Cool.
I'm gonna crash.
Cool.
Oh, hello, tornado. Oh my goodness. What type of war is this?
No. Roblox.
I'm gonna keep on running. Now I cannot stop jumping. Why can I not stop? Well, I guess you cannot win.
I really like it because I like this.
Oh wow. I cannot stop jumping and running.
No, give me it.
No, you're not having it. Anyway, if you want to see part 2, me and Leo fighting in World War 3, which is a new war. It's a war in Roblox, alright? And if you want to see me and Leo fighting it, then yeah.
Subscribe
if you want to see me and Leo to fight in World 3.
Also say in the comments if you want us
in
to.
Roblox, not in real life. What would we do in real life? Well, I do want to join the army, but that's another thing. But I will, but yeah.
Oh no.
Eh.
Goodbye.
Wait, I cannot stop jumping.